Facing discrimination because of a disability can be frustrating and isolating. Many people avoid filing ADA complaints because they fear career damage or retaliation. But understanding the complaint process is crucial for protecting your rights. The Americans with Disabilities Act prohibits discrimination against people with disabilities in employment, public services, and businesses. Before filing a complaint, you need to know which part of the ADA applies to your situation. Title I covers employment discrimination and is enforced by the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. Title II addresses public services run by state and local governments. Title III ensures equal access to public accommodations like restaurants and stores. Both Title II and III complaints are handled by the Department of Justice. Documentation is your strongest ally when filing an ADA complaint. Keep detailed records of any discriminatory incidents, including dates, times, and exactly what happened. Save copies of all relevant emails, memos, and performance reviews. Store these documents somewhere safe, not at your workplace. When communicating about the issue, remain professional and factual, avoiding emotional language that could undermine your case. Most experts recommend starting the complaint process within your organization. Put your concerns in writing to your Human Resources Department and request a meeting. Document everything that happens during this internal process. The ADA gives you 180 days from an incident to file a formal complaint, so don't let internal processes drag on indefinitely. If internal resolution fails, it's time to file with the appropriate government agency. For employment discrimination, file with the EEOC either online, by mail, or by fax. The deadline is typically 180 days, though this may extend to 300 days in some jurisdictions. For public services or accommodations issues, file with the Department of Justice through their website or by mail. After filing, the agency will acknowledge receipt of your complaint and begin reviewing the evidence. The investigation phase can involve interviews with witnesses and requests for additional documentation. Some cases are resolved through mediation or settlement negotiations. If the agency finds strong evidence of discrimination, they may take legal action or issue a right to sue letter allowing you to file a lawsuit. Patience is essential during this process. Investigations can take months or even years depending on the complexity of your case. During this time, maintain your professionalism and rely on your support network outside of work. The law protects you from retaliation for filing an ADA complaint. Employers cannot legally fire, demote, harass, or otherwise penalize you for exercising your rights. If you experience retaliation, document these incidents and file an additional complaint specifically about the retaliatory behavior. Possible outcomes from an ADA complaint include policy changes at the organization, reinstatement to a position, mandatory training for employers, or financial compensation. Whether your complaint is ultimately successful or not, maintain your dignity and professionalism throughout the process. Remember these key points. Understand your rights before filing. Gather strong documentation. Attempt internal resolution first. File with the correct agency within the deadline. Prepare for a potentially lengthy process, and know that you are legally protected from retaliation. By approaching the process with knowledge and preparation, you significantly improve your chances of a successful resolution.